the chances of just having one of our tokens that we invest in going to the moon is very unlikely. Before you actually even invest, you need to know these three things. And it's all about our strategy. Welcome back, bestie. My name is Rachel and I am your crypto bestie. And today we're going to be going over investment strategy. Now, investing is one of the most important parts about your crypto journey, right? Because if you don't have money in crypto, you're not going to be going anywhere with it, right? So we're going to be going over your investment strategy and a couple of tools that can be very useful to you as you are getting into crypto. We all want a success story within crypto, but if we don't plan and organize for it, the chances of just having one of our tokens that we invest in going to the moon is very unlikely. And it's all about our strategy. So today that's what we're going to be going over. So hello, bestie. I'm Rachel, your crypto bestie, and I am so glad you are here because we are going to be taking a deep dive in a resource that will help you determine what your strategy is for investing. One of my favorite quotes from Benjamin Franklin says, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." And this is crucial for your success in crypto as an investor. Now, maybe you've been investing for a long time, but maybe you haven't. And so if this is your first time investing or even hearing about how to invest in crypto, I'm glad you're here because it's never too late. The best time to invest in crypto was when Bitcoin was launched in 2008, 2009 time frame. But the next best day is today. So I'm glad you're here because this is exactly where you should be. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just based off of my own experiences and how I would want to get into crypto right now if I was someone that was new in investing. And I've been in crypto since 2019. And so I have really seen what to do and what not to do. So there are three big things that you need to know right off the bat. Before you actually even invest, you need to know these three things. 1, your risk tolerance. 2, your investment goals. And 3, your time horizon. Now, I have a resource on my website. It's cryptobestie.io, and I'll show it to you here in just a second. But it is my crypto investing roadmap of how you can get into crypto in the most seamless way possible. All right, so right now we are looking at my website. So it's cryptobestie.io. This is the main page right here. If we click on product and webinars, we are going to see that I have your crypto investment roadmap. Now, I'm so excited for this because it's really going to be one of those things that I think will really help you. Like I said once more, this is not financial advice. This is just me putting something together for you that I think would personally help me getting into crypto. And so I hope that it can help you. And my whole point here is to be able to take these really complex concepts within crypto and break them down so it is understandable for someone who maybe doesn't have as much experience within tech. Because I have a job in tech, I've worked as a software developer, I love coding, technology, all the things. So I'm taking that knowledge and applying it to this. So right here, we can see that in this roadmap, it includes some of these things. It includes many different things, but it includes an investment strategy overview. So it goes over what different investment strategies you can do. It has a goal setting framework. So it has short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals that you set, and it's just right in that document. The third thing is a strategy selection worksheet. And this, I think, is the coolest thing. So you end up taking a quiz on the things that I just said, those three things. You take a quiz on those things, how much money you can invest, how much time you have to give, what you understand about crypto already. And based on the points of what you say, it helps you determine which strategy is best for you. Now you get to decide. This is not financial advice. You get to decide what you want to do, but and I'm hoping that it will help you to be able to take what knowledge you do have, even if you are a beginner, and be able to move up the ladder into those different investment strategies if you're interested in that. And then the last thing is a progress tracker. And so there's an entire Excel document, I guess spreadsheet for you, where there's many different tabs of where you actually basically journal what is going on for you in crypto, what money you're making, and also kind of your mood. So you don't like FOMO into something or like FUD out of something else. I do also want to recognize that if you bundle the crypto investment strategy or roadmap strategy with the exit strategy worksheet that I also have, you get a discount. So two great things to get into, because not only is investing important, but I personally think the single most important thing is how you exit. And that's going to be a whole nother video, but this is all about investment. But if you bundle them together, you'll get a better deal. Now, the amount of people in crypto is ever increasing. From a recent stat, 6.8% of the population of the world is invested within crypto, which means there's 560 million people invested in crypto. Something that's important to know is only the top 10 to top 5% of people within crypto are actually making money from crypto. The people that are actually making money have a strategy going into it. They're not just throwing money to the wind. They have a strategy on when and how to invest and when and how to exit. And this is great. We are going into a bull run. We're already in it, to be honest with you. And it says this is a significant 34% increase from 2023, when there were only 420 million crypto owners. So there's rapid growth of adoption for cryptocurrency, but the thing is there's still exponential growth that we can see within crypto. I mean, only 6.8% of the world owns it, and that is in a specific skew of owning crypto. Is it truly decentralized of how they're owning it? You know, there's so many questions with how they're actually owning crypto. So there's so much that you can do that's so important in getting into crypto today. While crypto ownership has exploded to over 500 million people worldwide, we're still in the early stages with only 6.8% global adoption. This suggests we're at the perfect entry point for new investors combining proven adoption with massive growth potential. So are you ready to get into crypto? If you have questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. I would love to hear what part of crypto you are struggling with. And then I would love a like and subscribe. I am so excited for everything that's to come within crypto within this next year. And so I'm glad that you're here. I'll see you in the next video.